Alright guys, hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. I am hella tired. I got more stuff to do after work here. Did a change out today, out of town. And when I got out, we went into Home Depot. Now I've seen Mr. Red himself, Kraus, and that other channel, HVAC Technology. Talk about, when they buy stuff that's on sale or whatever. I don't know how much this is on sale, because when I look, everything's expensive, but this is the M12, the newest fuel impact, because I have the older version. This is the newer version, and you get also an M12 hammer drill, which we'll see, because I was actually looking at a hammer drill to get. So this is the package here. You get both drills, and then you get a CP 2.0 and an XC 4.0. So you get the two different kinds of batteries that you get with these on the M12. And then they're giving away a free item, which you can pick from a few tools, like their soldering tool, their oscillating tool, but I didn't need any of those. I actually need more lighting, so I got the floodlight. This is the Rover here, so we'll take a look at that as well. Let's just open this real quick and see what it looks like. It's not a full video. It's just in case you guys are looking at Home Depot or looking into a drill set. $229 is not bad, and you get the batteries. And like I said, I don't know what the sale, like it doesn't say how much off it is or what's the deal with it, but it's a special buy. It's like, on sale. So of course you get the carrying case. Let's see what kind of case you get. Yeah, the little bag. Bam. Let's open her up. Doctor style bag. So yeah, you got the two batteries here. I got a nice collection of batteries now. A little charger with it. I have too many chargers now. Here's the hammer drill that I've been wanting to try out. So I gave my other drill, I had bought this set before with my other impact, but that one just came with a regular drill, and those were not the new style, right? So I actually ended up giving both to my dad because he really wanted them. And then I went out and bought, I didn't have a drill for a while now. So I wanted to get a hammer drill, and I kept putting it off. And then lo and behold, you get a package here with both. So hammer drill, we'll see how good this one is, because they do have two different ones, the M18 and the M12. Not bad. That sounds good. Alright, and then the new impact. Doesn't want to come out. Got our new little baby impact there. It is smaller. That's crazy. So I don't have the other one to compare it to because I already gifted it to my dad. Gave him the battery with it and everything because I was getting new ones. Usually when I buy these, I don't buy the battery packs and all that because the tool itself is, good enough for me. I got extra batteries, but this one came with batteries. So here's our new impact. And you got to do that. Damn. These are going to be nice. Alright guys, so got some new drills. Pretty awesome. And then, so I'll put those away. You got a free item, like I said, so go and check out what they have. I'm gonna have to take a battery from there. So you got the tool itself, and this one, I've seen a lot of people with this one. So let's pop in a battery real quick. So it is magnetic. So we can hook that up wherever we're working. Like I said, this will be great for walk-in boxes. And then you get two, let's see. So we have one setting, and then it goes lower. It starts at the brightest, right? Off, high. So you got two settings, high and low, and then off. I love that it rotates. So we'll probably, we'll be able to stand this up or put it to a panel. And then it did say something about, if I can, that's not it. All right, they hide it really well. So there is a flap here that you pull over, and apparently, yeah, it's a USB-A that you can charge a device with. So get you some light, charge your iPad or tablet or phone, whatever it is. I think you have to push maybe this button to do it. Shows you how many bars you got there. So really cool. So just a little quick video on some tools that I bought. If you want to go check out Home Depot and see if you can find it. And yeah, hope you guys are doing good. I am tired as hell. It's been hot. Still got to do a bunch of work. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Remember to cover up well. I'm going to do a shameless plug real quick. Got the sleeves. Everybody's been loving them over on Instagram. That's, where people are tagging me that they're wearing them. So we got the Reliable HVAC, or the new skull logo on the sleeves. Get you some. Stay covered. They're super comfortable. They're nice and thick. Super breathable though. And you can wipe your sweat on them and stay out of the sun. It covers you. It's UV protection and all that. So check those out in the at my website. It's in the link in the description. And like I said, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I'll see you guys.